In this video, we'll be showing you how to properly use Roberts 6280 pressure-sensitive multi-flooring adhesive. A versatile pressure-sensitive adhesive designed for installing modular carpet tile, small format LVT, and carpet cushion. 6280 can be used for installations involving both porous and non-porous substrates and covers up to 225 square feet per gallon depending on trowel type, substrate, and installation conditions. We recommend you visit robertsconsolidated.com to view the latest technical data sheet for comprehensive substrate preparation instructions and installation techniques. All substrates must be flat, clean, and free of substances that might inhibit the bond of the adhesive or the performance of the flooring or its installation. All cracks, chips, holes, joints, or high spots in the substrate must be adequately repaired. When installing on a concrete substrate, follow industry-recognized standards for moisture testing to ensure it is dry and within the tolerance of flooring and the adhesive product. 6280 should not be used when moisture vapor emission rate exceeds 8 pounds or when RH of substrate exceeds 85%. With preparations in place, let's move on to installation. Prior to, during, and after installation, maintain a consistent temperature between 65 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit and ambient relative humidity no greater than 65%. Spread the adhesive evenly using a trowel or roller, following the recommended notch size for your specific flooring type. Ensure well-defined and consistent ridges across the substrate for full coverage. When installing over a porous substrate, place flooring into semi-wet adhesive for a permanent bond, or allow adhesive to flash and become tacky to the touch for a pressure-sensitive install. When installing over non-porous substrates, always allow adhesive to flash over and become tacky before placing flooring. As your best bond will be as soon as the adhesive is flashed over and will lose strength as time goes by, take care to only spread adhesive in a manageable section. For a permanent application method, you'll have an open time of up to 20 minutes and a working time of up to 40 minutes. If using a full tack method, you'll have a tack time of up to 60 minutes and a working time of up to 12 hours. If you're installing sheet flooring, make sure to use Roberts 7500 vinyl seam sealer. Apply a 1/8 inch bead of adhesive along one entire edge of the sheet vinyl and join the seam edges together for a durable bond. Be sure to include ample time to roll the floor covering with a weighted roller per manufacturer's specific guidelines. Post-installation, restrict foot traffic and moving of heavy objects for 24 to 48 hours. Plan for 8 to 10 hours for curing time, but remember, environmental factors play a role. The adhesive may dry or cure faster or slower depending on conditions. Patience is key as your flooring sets to perfection. If adhesive gets on the top of your flooring, it can be removed using warm soapy water on a clean cloth. For dried adhesive, mineral spirits applied sparingly can be used, but always exercise caution and follow label instructions. Do not pour cleaner directly onto flooring. 6280, like most adhesives manufactured by Roberts, are the only adhesives to include microban antimicrobial technology, providing around-the-clock product protection from the growth of stain and odor-causing microbes, including bacteria, molds, and mildews. For further assurance of the effectiveness and quality of our products, we offer a 2-year shelf life and a lifetime warranty when installed in accordance with the printed specifications performed by industry-certified professional installers. For installation questions not covered in this video, please contact our Technical Services Department at 706-277-5294 or visit us online at robertsconsolidated.com.